Paparazzi Jewels. My name is Lysandra and I am an independent consultant with Paparazzi Accessories. If you're watching me right now, someone either sent you this video or you yourself you're just looking for information in regards to how to make money with Paparazzi Accessories. So I am here to get that started for you. All right. Just like me, you're probably trying to see if you like the idea of, or if you should consider the idea of joining this business. I was doing the same thing when I was introduced. I was a customer first. I saw my friend on my timeline, on my Facebook timeline, and I was like, whoa, what is she doing? What is she up to? And I started watching and I started buying because I'm a single mom and Lord knows I could not buy jewelry that was super expensive. So $5 jewelry was like, that was it. I was like, I can do that. I can do that. So I joined first, started as a customer. I took in the idea, I could do this. Then she asked and I considered it. But the first thing I did was I watched videos, just like I'm doing right now. I watched how to make money with paparazzi accessories. What about paparazzi accessories? Who is paparazzi accessories? What is paparazzi accessories? All these little details that I needed to know because I am a program analyst and I like to analyze things. I was doing that too. So once I realized it was legit and I wasn't taking a huge risk and all I could lose was just a little bit of money, if anything, I took the leap of faith and I joined. As time went on, I was like, this thing is amazing. What? Let me take this, advantage of this, full advantage of this, and make money in all the different ways in which paparazzi offers you to make money. So let's talk about those things. First, I joined because I saw my friend on my Facebook Live. So it was a given that was going to be something that I wanted to do because I knew I had tons of friends and families on my timeline that were going to see me too and want to know what I was up to. All right. So even if they just joined my Facebook Live just for that first few months, just to support me, I was like, oh my gosh, let's do it. All right. So number one, Facebook Lives. You can make money selling jewelry using Facebook Lives or Instagram Lives. And let me show you an example. All you do is get on a camera just like this, click that live button and show your jewelry. You're just showing it. You're not like, hey, get this. No, you're like, hey guys, this is hot, here you go. No, I actually don't like to call it sell. I'm showing you, right? So one way to earn money with paparazzi accessories is to show your jewelry using platforms like Facebook, like Instagram, okay? Easy way to get you in front of millions of people. Okay, even if you get 5 people to watch you live, there are chances are you're gonna make money that night. Okay, you have 20 people watching you that day, chances are you're gonna make more money that night until that network grows. Okay, you go from selling 10, 20, 30, 40, 100, 200 pieces. Now you do the math. If you sold 200 pieces, that is $1,000. Could you use that? Yeah, me too. All right, so that's why I do this. I can use $1,000 extra every month. That was my first initial goal. Okay, actually, my first initial goal, let me correct myself. 1,000 was a stretch. My first goal was to make $400 extra a month. That was my first goal. When I surpassed that, I was like, why stop there? That makes no sense. I can do more. I did more. I made more, so on and so forth. So the first way of making money is Facebook Lives, Instagram Lives. The second one that I'm going to talk to you about tonight is commission, okay? Commission is an opportunity for you to really grow. I mean, really go. It's going to stretch you because not only are you now selling the jewelry, showing the jewelry, you are sharing that same opportunity with more people. So now you're making money, you're making the extra money. Oh, I already hit my goal. I'm making $1,000 extra every month, $2,000 extra every month, $5,000 extra every month. why not share that same opportunity with someone else? So do that. You share the opportunity. Because you do that, Paparazzi rewards you. Yep, they reward you for every rank. They reward you with more commission, higher commission for every rank that you hit and the more that you move up in the business. It's crazy. So I did that. I was like, hey, why am I going to be selfish? Why only keep this opportunity for myself? That makes no sense because I'm a people person. I want people to succeed. I love on people. I am a giver of my time. I am a giver of my money. I am a giver. Like, that's what I do. So, hey, I'm giving you the amazing opportunity of making money yourself. Now, they go do that. They go grow a team themselves. Then that person goes ahead and does the same thing, and you're duplicating yourself. But because of your efforts, because of the amazing company that we just gives us the, hey, here's a commission check every month. Here's another payday. So you get paid for duplicating yourself, teaching others to do the same, for encouraging others, for motivating others, and Paparazzi pays you for that. Now, what? That's easy. You mean I'm a cheerleader? Dang. And I get a commission check every month. I whoop, 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 cheer you on, and then I do the work too, and you see me doing the work, and you want to do the work, and I get a commission check from Paparazzi Accessories. What? That's amazing. So, 1, Facebook and Instagram live sales. Secondly, commission could be coming in to your bank every single month. Rolls in on the 20th. I love my paparazzi payday. I call it my paparazzi payday. Every 20th, I'm like, boop, there goes money. All because I grew this amazing team. So 1, Facebook Lives, Instagram. 2, commissions with Paparazzi Accessories. And 3, all right, how to make money with Paparazzi Accessories. Now, do you always need to be on camera? I don't want to go through this video without telling you, no. You don't always have to be on camera, okay? We have an amazing website that you are given the first day that you sign up with Paparazzi. Hear me again. You sign up, boop, boop, boop. Done. You have a free website. Oh my gosh. Can I just take a second right there to leave it? I'm still in awe. Like, I am still in awe at the fact that on the very minute that you sign up with Paparazzi Accessories, okay, with you, whoever it is that you are going to sign up with, your consultant, that you get a free website. Someone did it for you. It was designed for you, it's made for you, and it constantly has jewelry in it. Yeah, real stuff. I signed up, I got a consultant ID, and I got an entire website that's mine that my family and friends and external network can shop in. Yes, you have a free website, you have a store, and they can shop. You get paid. They shop, you get paid. So you can purchase the jewelry at a discount for $275, okay? And then do a Facebook Live and Instagram Live and show the pieces and make the money. You can get a commission every month just for growing a team and encouraging others and supporting them and leading them in the right directions towards success themselves, okay? And thirdly, you don't have to get on camera because you have a free website and you can make money directly from your website. Yeah. Yeah, you can. All right, I'm going to make this a short and sweet video and just share with you those 3 amazing ways in which you can earn income with Paparazzi Accessories, that you can make money with Paparazzi Accessories. This is how we roll. This is how we roll, and I would love to have you join our amazing team if you are interested in joining my team, if someone else didn't invite you. So let me say that first. If someone else invited you, I want you to go back to them, okay? Share with them your interests, share with them your questions, and join their team. But if it's me, Great! I would love to have you part of the fancy squad. All right, go ahead and join at www.sofancyjewels.com. If you go down, you're going to see the join link at the bottom. You can also go directly to bit.ly, okay, bit.ly, and you can put join the fancy and you'll get directed straight to the join my team page. So either way is fine. And I'm so thankful to have you interested in Paparazzi accessories. This is an amazing company. Join the journey. I am sure you will love it. Have a great day. Oh, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube. Go ahead and comment if you like everything that you've heard today, or then go and make sure that you choose the subscribe and like button, and you'll see more of my videos in the upcoming days. See ya.